Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for coming back and checking in with me today, taking a look at Verasity on the daily time frame. Before we begin, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Really helps out the channel in general if you like the video. Leave a comment down below as well and let me know your thoughts about Verasity today. As we can see on the charts here, looking very good in my opinion. Everything playing out pretty much as I have predicted so far from what I've seen this year. Obviously, as I said before, very clear, huge downtrend during the bear market. At the start of the year, we get this massive 5x move for Verasity from this low here, around a fifth of a cent, all the way to around 1.1 cents, but we do get stuck under that psychological level here, as well as this 0.38 Fibonacci level, at just under a ninth of a cent there. Since then, obviously, we had that big descending wedge, which I've talked about so much now. You can see resistance, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, and then grinding under that resistance for such a long time here. We got down to around this level here, back testing these key levels of structure here. And then since then, with the announcement of bullish tokenomic changes for Verasity, very simple, little move out of that area there, breakout, coming back down and back testing this key area of structure. You know, there's so much structure and support in this area in terms of the chart formation. You can see here obviously came down, got a little bit of a double bottom, and then obviously with Bitcoin having a decent amount of a rally, we can see Verasity here coming up and touching that sixth of a cent level. On the hourly time frame, you can see pretty much exactly what's been going on in this local area. Big pump, correction down here past 50%, you know, kind of just you're really consolidating here and then looking like we're trying to make our way back up here. You can see if I zoom in a bit here so you can see more clearly, been a nice little uptrend over the past few days. After coming down and making that double bottom, you can see we've come up, made our way past the 0.23 Fibonacci. I'm really looking like now we're just wanting to basically continue to the upside, aren't we? Obviously, it's going to take a while for these things to play out. Everyone always goes, oh, why? You always say this and it never happens. It's like you've got to wait for quite a good amount of time, months really, for these kinds of patterns to play out. Because this is a daily time frame and it takes time obviously for these charts to form. But I do think we're going to be seeing Verasity heading up towards that 2 cent level, I should say, at the 0.618 Fibonacci level fairly soon. That would be the technical target, doing something like this. And realistically, I do think, you know, Verasity during the next bull run is going to do very well indeed. Even if we head up towards the top of this massive channel that we've been in, resistance, support. If we come up and hit resistance again going into the bull market, we could be looking at some very ridiculous price points coming up here. You know, anywhere from, I would say, realistically 25 to 30 cents, maybe all potentially up towards $1, depending on how things go. But for now, keeping our heads out of the clouds and our feet on the ground, I would say realistically looking quite good in this local area for a bit of continuation. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.